Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're flipping into the world of foldables. Literally. We're putting two of the most exciting clamshell phones on the market head-to-head. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 versus the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. If you're thinking about joining the foldable revolution or just wondering which one gives you the best bang for your buck, stick around because this is the showdown you've been waiting for. Let's talk about design, because let's be honest, if you're buying a foldable, looks matter. The Z Flip 5 has a cleaner, more refined hinge this year. It folds flat now, finally catching up with its competitors. The matte finish and the sturdy hinge mechanism feel premium in the hand, and the exterior 3.4-inch flex window is a big step up from previous models. Meanwhile, the Razr 40 Ultra brings some serious retro-futuristic flair. That big 3.6-inch external display covers nearly the entire front, and yes, you can run full apps on it. It also folds flat and feels just a touch lighter in the hand. The vegan leather finish on some models adds that extra touch of personality Samsung doesn't quite match. Verdict on design? Razr wins on flair. Samsung wins on polish. Tough call. On the inside, both phones rock 6.7-inch AMOLED screens with 120 Hz refresh rates, so animations and games are buttery smooth. Samsung's display is slightly brighter outdoors, but Motorola offers a more immersive external screen, especially if you're into using your phone one-handed for quick replies, navigation, or even watching a YouTube video without opening the phone. As for durability, both phones are rated for 200,000 plus folds, but only Samsung has an IPX8 water resistance rating. Motorola skips that entirely. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy. It's slightly overclocked and tightly integrated into Samsung's ecosystem. Everything feels snappy, from app launches to multitasking with Flex Mode. The Razr 40 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Not quite as new, but still a performance champ in real-world use. Daily tasks, media playback, and games all run beautifully. When it comes to software, Samsung's One UI gives you more productivity features and better multitasking. But Motorola's software is cleaner, closer to stock Android, and frankly just easier to live with for people who prefer a streamlined experience. Quick pause. If you're thinking about buying any of these devices, I've dropped Amazon affiliate links below for the best deals. Using these links won't cost you a penny more, but helps support the channel directly so I can keep making honest, sponsor-free comparisons. And don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps people find the channel and videos. Camera-wise, neither of these phones are Pixel or iPhone killers, but they've improved. The Z Flip 5 features a dual 12-megapixel setup, main and ultra-wide with solid image processing, decent dynamic range, and Samsung's usual punchy colors. The real fun is in using the Flex Mode for hands-free selfies and vlogs. The Razr 40 Ultra also has a dual setup, 12 megapixels main and 13 megapixels ultra-wide. It holds up surprisingly well, especially in daylight, but tends to struggle a bit more in low light. If photography matters to you, Samsung's processing and consistency give it a slight edge. Battery life? Both are okay. The Z Flip 5 has a 3,700 mAh battery with 25 watts charging, while the Razr 40 Ultra has a slightly bigger 3,800 mAh battery with 30 watts fast charging. In real use, both will get you through a day of moderate usage. Heavy gaming or photography sessions? You'll need a top-up. So, which foldable is the better buy in 2025? Pick the Z Flip 5 if you want tighter ecosystem integration, better long-term updates, water resistance, and a slightly better camera. Go for the Razr 40 Ultra if you want a more fun, bold design, a more usable front display, and cleaner software. Both are great, but they're aimed at slightly different types of users. Either way, foldables are no longer a gimmick, they're here to stay. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Check the description below for affiliate links to both devices. And if you want to create videos like this with ease, try out Flicky, our favorite AI-powered video tool. Link also below. See you in the next one.